can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Dollyroman, and I am back with another video. So Halloween is over. Thank you God. It was driving me crazy. I enjoyed my Glam Halloween series, but I miss doing fashion videos. That's why I started my channel. As you guys know, like the first video on my channel was a fashion video. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I just celebrated my 8-year YouTube anniversary. I still can't believe I've been on YouTube for 8 years. But I'm doing a lot of rambling, so I'm just going to jump in. So y'all really enjoyed the first fall accessories haul, so I'm bringing y'all a part 2. That's right, sis, a part 2. Yes, if y'all know me, y'all know I love accessories. Y'all can see it. I love some accessories. But anyway, I'm going to jump right into the haul. So I don't know if you guys remember in the last haul, I basically told you guys I had a bag that was on layaway at Burlington that I really wanted to show you guys. So I finally was able to get it off. So it's just this Steve Madden bag here. It's kind of like a backpack, but kind of like a fanny pack situation. So I'm just going to model it real quick. I believe you're supposed to wear it over you as such, or like on your back as such. But this was really cute. I can't remember how much it was because I believe the tag was on the other bag, and my mom was going to get the other one. We're going to be twinsies, but she ended up putting the bag back. So yeah, I think this is really cute. I love Steve Madden. Steve Madden is like one of my favorite designers. It's Bessie Johnson, Steve Madden, and Juicy Couture are like my faves. I will always buy stuff from them. I just think they have the cutest things. So yeah, I just picked up this bag, and I feel like this is a perfect bag for fall too, especially if you're on the go and things like that. Now for students, I don't recommend this as a backpack. It's too small. You know, we have books and things like that, but I definitely think this is a cute like on the go bag. Throw a couple of things in here, throw your water and all that good stuff. I got some goodies from Rainbow and some goodies from Amazon and Shein. So let me just jump into the Rainbow goodies. There's a shirt in this bag, but it ain't no need for me to really show you guys. So I went there the other day. I did a layaway and I got some bomb stuff, and I can't wait to show y'all this month. And I also got some jewelry. So the first pair of earrings I got, if y'all know me, y'all already know I'm obsessed with heart earrings. So I got these rhinestone heart earrings, and they're just dangly earrings, and these were $4.99, and they're gold. Y'all know I love gold jewelry, and I just love, I don't know what it is, but I've been loving heart earrings or heart jewelry lately. So I also got another type of dangly earring, and these I just feel are like so perfect with the holidays coming up. So these were also $4.99, and they're just these square earrings, but as you guys can see, they have all these different colored gemstones, and I just feel like these are perfect, and they will make a fall outfit pop. The next set of earrings I got was another dangly. I don't know what's my problem. I think like all the earrings in here dangle, but these were $3.99, and I've been obsessing with pearls lately. Like I think my girly side is like fully intact still. So they're just these pearl earrings, and they are just circular shape, and then they have the pearl and they hang down. Love those. Oh, I have 2 other pairs of earrings on layaway. I should have just honestly bought them. These were also $3.99, and they're gold, and they're just these hammered type of dangly earrings. But the second part here, they have different color rhinestones and gemstones as well, which I love. And the last pair of earrings I got from Rainbow are another dangly pair, very similar to the pearl ones, but just in rhinestones, and they also have a gold backing, and I just love these. I feel like they're perfect for fall, perfect going into the holidays. I got some goodies from Amazon. So as you guys know, I'm obsessed with hair clips, so I had to buy me some more name clips, but this time I got them in pearls in different cities. So let me just open this up. Oh, there's another way to open it, but obviously I ripped the bag. So this one just says New York, which I love. I have one that says Milan, Tokyo, London, Paris, and Moscow. And I think what made me love these clips is they're the fashion capitals of the world. The only one I think that's missing is like the fashion capital of Africa. But like these are the fashion capitals of the world, so I had to get those, and I freaking love them. That also came with some extra stuff, but that's not really necessary for me to show you guys. And I had 24 of these, but I'm giving 12 of them away to my god sister. But you guys seen these already in my butterfly tutorial, but they're just butterfly hair clips, and they look like real butterflies, and I freaking love these. Me and my niece are gonna have the best time with these because I put some in her hair the other day and they were just so freaking cute. I had ordered a pair of socks from a local business called House of Fashions, and this is just what they look like. They're actually rhinestone fishnet socks, and I paid $10 for these. They're really freaking cute, and I can't wait to wear them. I don't know where the hell I'm wearing them to. I don't know what I'm wearing them with, but I'm going to slay when I wear them. These items have been trending big time, and I had to get my hands on one. And like I said, my girly instincts are kicking in. So if you can see the handle, then you can see that I got myself a little pearl bag, and this is just so freaking cute. I don't know if I had one of these when I was a little girl, but I don't care because I'm gonna live my best life now, and I'm gonna wear this now. And can y'all just look? Let me give y'all the full vision. I need to wear this together soon, you know. Oh. This is so freaking cute. So cute. At the flea market in the beauty supply store. And then my mom also ordered me another thing from Amazon. So let me just show y'all that. So as y'all know, I love beret hats. So the Annihilator, I'm sorry, she wore this outfit right here. I'll put it here. And I wanted to recreate the outfit, so I had to get me an olive green beret. Plus, if you know me, you know I just live for olive green. So my mom ordered this from Amazon. They're about $10 on Amazon. I tried to find this at the beauty supply store. All the beauty supply stores have them priced different. They're priced different everywhere. Typically, they run from about $4 to $6 at the beauty supply store. But if you purchase them from like Forever 21, Walmart, and stuff like that, they'll be $10 and up. And then Amazon has them. I tried to find some cheaper ones. I did find some cheaper ones. I'll put the link down below. And then I found like the $9 ones, and they have all the colors. And they have Prime, so that's amazing. So I went to the beauty supply store in my hometown, and my favorite one that I've been going to recently, and they had this color, and I don't have this color, so I'm gonna say this is like a mix between an orange and a rust, and this was $3.99, and I just got this. It looks really bright on camera. It is pretty bright, but like I feel like I can get away with it, and I feel like it would look so cute with my orange hair. And so I also got some hair clips. I told you I'm addicted to buying these damn hair clips, and I can't even wear them with this hairstyle because it looks weird. I can't wait to get my next wig so I can wear them with that. So I got just these ones. They're called the Chloe pins. I believe they were $1, and it's just these gold rhinestone bobby pin type of clips, and I really like those. And then I got this set of clips, and the first clip just says Vibes, which I love, and these ones are in silver. I really don't wear a lot of silver, but hey, whatever. Oh, so I got some more hair clips at Burlington, and this just is the set. It says Call Me in gold. I just thought that was really cute, and that was $3.99. Let me see. Oh, those ones didn't have prices on there from the beauty supply store. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last video I was telling you I had bought a set of gold snap clips and silver ones. I'll end up losing the silver ones. So I was in Walmart getting stuff to do my mermaid tutorial, just walking up and down the cross out, and I seen the silver ones and I couldn't believe it. And these are like the big ones. These remind me of the ones that Sweetie wore in the My Type video, which is the size that I wanted. So I believe these were like $1 something a piece, and I just got 3 packs of them. And they're just silver metallic clips, nothing serious, but I'm still pissed that I lost those hair clips. Like, I had no clue where they are to this day. Never found them. Yeah, they just like disappeared on me. So another item I had got from Burlington, I wore this a while ago, so it doesn't have the tag on there. I don't even remember how much it is, but it's this pearl gold wire hair clip, and I just think it's so cute. And then I wore this like a while ago. As you guys can see, it's so cute. Like, I know people don't really wear headbands anymore, but I personally love hair accessories. So the next 4 items I got at the flea market. I went to the flea market, I want to say 2 Sundays ago with my grandmother. So I picked up, y'all know, if y'all know, I got an orange addiction by now. I hope y'all know. I got this orange beanie. As you guys know, I have a lime green one, and of course I had to get my favorite color. I got me a neon pink one just because y'all already know pink is my favorite color of all time. So last but not, oh no, I have something else to show you guys. I got a surprise today in the mail. So last but not least, I picked up these pairs of socks. They're like they're not knee high, they're like, I don't know how to describe. They're like sheer socks, pretty much. You wear these with booties, and they were $1. So I got some nude ones and I got some black ones. You guys know I love me a good pair of booties for the fall. I had no intention of showing shoes in this haul because last haul I showed y'all shoes, but I hadn't ordered any new shoes. I was actually probably going to order some shoes this weekend, but I got a surprise today in the mail that I was not expecting. If you've been following my channel for a while, then y'all know, like, I'm upset. Like, so I just want to say, like, my personal style has changed so drastically over the years. I remember, like, when I first started college, like, I would be extra girly, want to dress up all the time with a deep face, blah blah blah. And then, you know, I tried to keep the vibes, keep the aesthetic going. Then when I got to AliPearl, I got lazy and I did not feel like getting dressed anymore. Like, walking around the city, and anybody who goes to AliPearl, y'all already know, like, the way our classes is set up is crazy. So I learned to love sneakers. I love to be comfy. So I'm just gonna say now, like, you know, I still have that vintage mixed with modern. You know, I love the 80s, I love the 90s, I love little aspects from every century up until now. And then I would say, like, my style is like chill but still kill. Like, I can, like, put on like some joggers and some sneakers and a beat face and I will still kill you. Like, you gonna get all this work with this look. So anywho, so my brother, he asked me the other day about these sneakers. I did not know that he was really getting them. So he ordered me a pair of Felines. And if you guys know, I already have 2 pairs of Felines. I'm obsessed with Felines. This is going to make my 3rd pair. And I also seen another pair on Dolls Kill that I must order, like, immediately. So my brother bought me these shoes. These are the Feline Disruptor No. 2 Premium Repeat. This is a size 8. It doesn't say the color, but I think these sneakers are the cutest sneakers I've seen, and the color is everything. My brother got me these Felines. Oh my god, they are so cute. Like, you guys, I have to find the perfect outfit that's not going to take attention off the sneakers. Like, these sneakers, and let me tell y'all something. I know it's like a lot of things, like, people like, why y'all like those sneakers, blah blah blah. Look, these sneakers are so comfy. The bottom is so amazing to walk on. I personally have had foot injuries, knee injuries, back injuries, all kind of stuff. So wearing shoes like this really, really helps. And then when I'm walking around the city, oh my god, when I wore my white Felines to New York City, that was the most comfortable day of my life. So I also, oh, and I have a pink pair, so I wore my pink pair to BeautyCon, and we walked to BeautyCon. We walked all around BeautyCon. I walked at home. I walked back to the train at the BeautyCon. Walked to get food. Like, these sneakers are so comfortable. And if you don't have a pair of Felines and you really have, like, issues with your knees and back and things like that, I highly recommend this shoe. Just because they are, like, one of the comfiest pair of sneakers I own. The sole and everything, like, oh, I'm really getting me another pair. So I want to say thank you to my brother because I was not expecting these at all. Like, I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear these. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my fall accessories haul part 2. If you love accessories just as much as I do, yes, this is the video for you. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite, because I definitely want to hear what you have to say. And as always, comment, rate, subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are on. I love you guys so much. Bye.
You can use You better use your